Schwann's rest power points this to understand y sin inverse x, then sin y equal to x, fx in immutable function, then x equal f inverse y. Graph sin inverse function can be obtained from the graph of original function interchanging x and y. So AB is a point graph sine function, then BA becomes the corresponding points graph of inverse of sine function. Inverse function can be obtained original function, a mirror image that is reflection. So important objective MC question plus 12 to 6 exams, and also important mains exam along the line y equal to x. Sine function is set of all real numbers and range set minus 1 to 1. The branch of with range 0 4 is equal to the principal value branch of function cos inverse minus 1 1 0 to pi sin inverse of sin inverse 1 by sin x and show some points also discuss that means function domain range show to remember students sin inverse cos inverse cosec inverse sec inverse sin inverse cot inverse especially sin inverse domain minus 1 1 range, that means principal value branch minus pi upon 2 to pi upon 2. Y equal to 10 inverse domain real range minus pi upon 2 pi upon 2. So include this is close bracket and this is open bracket. Open bracket, that means does not include, and close bracket, that means include. So students to understand y equal to cot inverse domain real and 0 pi. This is sign of open interval, that means 0 pi not include. Y equal to sin inverse x, that means x equal to sin y, x equal to sin y sin inverse sin inverse x, sin inverse sin x, same points. Graph of sin x, and this is a graph of sin x, that means x y, that means x axis in domain and y in y on y axis range. List value and greatest value, list value minus 1, greatest value 1. Show notes finding points sin 0 0 and plotted this, and graph of sin inverse x, same point, that means to understand understand the students reverse them sin y sin inverse sin x and sin inverse x. Or show you graph of graph of sin x. So correct, yes, one. So graph of sin x and graph of sin inverse x.